Introducing bird's eye bush, Ocna kerki of the family Ocnaceae. Bird's eye bush is a shrub that grows to 4.5 meters tall. Leaves are alternate, oblong, elliptic to narrow, obovate, convate to cordate at the base, obtuse or rounded at the apex, to 10 centimeters long. Margins are entire or undulate, usually with many fine hairs. Flowers are in small panicles or in short lateral branchlets. Petals are 2.5 centimeters long, and the calyx is red, flat, and spreading. Fruit is a drupe. Bird's eye bush is native to Tanzania, Kenya, and Mozambique in Africa. It was introduced to the Philippines after World War II. Bird's eye bush is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. It is also used for its medicinal properties, including the treatment of fever, headache, and skin diseases.